See the line numbering down on the left hand side? You can toggle that on and off using the command mode command set number exclamation mark to turn off the setting in question, and to turn it back on again type out set number. But setting it every time you use Vim is cumbersome. So what you do is you put the settings in your vimrc file and hope it works. But since you're here, your vimrc file is not being imported. Okay, so let's start the video. First, fire up the terminal, open the text file. As you can tell, the line numbering is not in effect. Let's open the .vimrc file. Now add set number. Save and quit. Let's reopen the file. Nope. No change has taken place. Still no line numbering. Let me clear the screen. However, if we create a new file, the lines are there. This is because the file's own settings take a precedence over the .vimrc settings. To make a file use .vimrc settings, enter the command mode by holding down Shift and then pressing the colon key. Then type source space, enter the path where .vimrc is, which in my case is the home folder, and then the name of the config file, which of course is .vimrc. Hit enter. Now the effects have been imported from the .vimrc file. Now if you close and come back to the file again, the effects will still be there. Another way to achieve the same is to start Vim with the U flag. Type vim -u, the location of the vimrc file, and then the file you wanna open, which in this case is named some text file. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.